Hello, good morning class. Today we are going to learn about procedure text. Do you know what a procedure text is? Well, great. A procedure text tells us how to do something step by step. Can you give me some example of something that requires steps? Good. Exactly. We follow steps to complete the task. Now let's look at the example. Let's say we want to make tea. First, we need ingredients and tools. What do we need, class? Okay, great. Now let's look at the steps. Step 1, boil the water. Step 2, put the tea and little or tea bags into the cup. Step 3, pour the hot water into the cup. Step 4, let it sleep for a few minutes. Step 5, add sugar and milk if you like. Step 6, stir and enjoy your tea. Okay, now let's work in groups. Choose a simple task or making sandwich or washing hands. Create a procedure text together. Great! Now, each group will present their steps to the class. Okay, now what did you learn today? That's right! Now, can anyone tell me one imperative verb we used today? Excellent! Well done everyone. Thank you so much for your time.